Hi echo3D community, Megan here to share with you a new echo3D feature. We just released our entry hierarchy editor, and this new feature allows you to assign parent and child assets for projects. You can access this new feature by logging into your account and double-clicking on any asset on your content page to open the detailed view. Here you will find at the very bottom, entry hierarchy. So for example, I have this project of a car and all these different car parts. I want my car to be my parent asset, and I want the car parts to be child assets. So I'm going to go ahead and add the car parts here now. Since I have multiple versions of my car wheel model, I want to make the red, blue, and gold wheels child assets of my silver wheel. So just like I did before, I'm going to double click on my silver car wheel to open the detailed view, go to entry hierarchy, and add those wheels now. And if you want to delete any assets, all you have to do is click the X. To get access to this new feature and more, sign up for a 7-day free trial today at echo3d.com.